sent to Tihar like you've done with Raja. 2G has enormity of monetary value. You have destroyed a fine brand called Air India, which under J.R.D. Tata was one of the world's finest airlines. A. B. Rishabh Kapoor, if that's his name, is equally responsible, because Rishabh Kapoor should have made this impassioned emotional plea before the public. Today the pilots are seen as nothing but virulent blackmailers. Let me give you an interesting statistic. 1,600 pilots earn 800 crores of salary per annum. 28,000 staff members also earn 800 crores. So captains and pilots are not poor. B, if Rishabh Kapoor genuinely says, and I agree with him, that Air India is bleeding, employees in the private sector are either sacked or their salaries are withheld or no increments are given if companies are losing money. So if you're so passionate about Air India, my advice to you, much like what Sagarika you said, is don't go on strike. There is recourse to justice. Now you tell me, for 21 years you've had an application pending in the High Court. My advice to you would be, get another Anna Hazare type to sit outside Valyar Ravi's fabulous Lutyens Zone bungalow and you watch how this government buckles. Tragically, Sagarika, what has happened is, we have gifted this airlines business to private carriers. It has been done in a murky, subterfuge manner. We all know about it. We all keep quiet as if nothing has happened. Why was it gifted to the private airlines? Because consumers didn't trust brand Air India. Why didn't they trust brand Air India? Because they never knew when pilots, staff, flight attendants would go on strike. So the reasons may be legitimate, but the issue is you have eroded the brand value of brand Air India. You have eroded
the brand value.
Jitendra Bhargav,
right,
but Jitendra Bhargav is right. Why should I as a consumer come to you when I have 17 other choices?
Precisely.
So willy-nilly you are killing yourself with every passing day, and I can prophesize to you the market share of this airline by the end of this year will be anywhere between 9 to 10%, and so that will be the saddest day for a proud brand.
You see, when we are talking about pilots and salaries to be paid, Air India needs to cut cost. In Dubai, just 2 days back, Valyar Ravi said, no, they've started a new hub in Dubai. I don't know what we're going to do with it. They said that we have to reduce costs by 4,000 crores, increase revenues by 5,000 crores.
But how can you reduce costs if you've got 20,000 employees? None of whom you can sack.
This is where I'm coming to now. When you have decided that we have to reduce cost, in the case of Indian Airlines pilots, they want an increase in salary or a parity. In the case of Air India pilots, they get much more for the same hours of flying than Indian Airlines were getting less for actual number of flyers. So why don't you reduce costs by reducing the Air India pilot salary, give it actual number of hours?
Absolutely.
Okay, that's a good point. Let's put
so
that to Jitendra Bhargav.
Then you have parity.
There is really no clarity on the part of the government on whether it wants to kill Air India or whether it wants to keep it alive. It's like that bad Ajit joke, you know.
No, Sagarika.
Oxygen is keeping it alive and liquid is not letting it, is killing it.
Sagarika, be under no doubt, the country, the government and the babus who run the civil aviation ministry would love to kill Air India, except they must have their companion offers for life.
Okay, so let's get in Jitendra Bhargav in here.
That's the reality.